A conducting rod of length L is kept parallel to uniform magnetic field B. This is uniform magnetic field B. A conducting rod is kept parallel to it. This is the rod kept. It is moved along the magnetic field with velocity v. It is moved along this magnetic field. What is the value of EMF induced? EMF induced in this case will be 0. Why? Because BLV should be mutually perpendicular to each other. तीनों एक दूसरे को perpendicular होने चाहिए. Only then EMF will be induced. अगर कोई दो quantities भी parallel हैं, EMF will not be induced. Here velocity and magnetic field vectors are parallel to each other. Therefore, E is 0. Next question. A conductor of length L is rotated about one of its ends at constant angular speed omega in a plane perpendicular to uniform magnetic field. Okay, let the magnetic field be inside the screen. Okay, it is pointing inside the screen. This is magnetic field. Now, a conductor of length L is rotated about its one end. ये ले लेते हैं conductor. It is rotated about this axis which is perpendicular to the plane. ठीक है, जैसे आप ऐसे समझो जैसे क्लॉक के हैंड्स मूव करते हैं वैसे ये मूव कर रही है. क्लॉक का हैंड समझ लो. इट इज मूविंग लाइक दिस in the magnetic field with constant angular speed omega, and you have to plot the graphs to show variation of EMF across the ends of conductor with angular speed omega, E versus omega graph and E versus length of conductor L graph. The length of conductor is L. अच्छा, तो अब EMF induce होगा because it is cutting the magnetic field lines. The magnetic field lines are cut, therefore EMF will be induced. Okay, now what is the formula for EMF? It is d phi by dt. E is d phi by dt. I am talking about magnitude only, not putting negative sign. Flux is BA cos 0. Angle between magnetic field vector and area vector will be 0 into the plane of the screen. So BA cos 0, this is B into A. Now, what is the area swept in one revolution? Let it takes t time to cover one revolution. यहाँ से वापस यहाँ तक आने में उसको t time लग रहा है suppose. तो एरिया कितना स्वीप हुआ? पाई आर स्क्वायर, पाई इंटू एल स्क्वायर लिख देते हैं अभी. पाई इंटू एल स्क्वायर. Now E is B pi L square upon time t. यहाँ तक ओके. Flux upon time. Now T can be written as 1 by T is F frequency. F is, you know this relation, omega is 2 pi F. So B pi L square, in place of F can I write B pi L square omega upon 2 pi. So your formula for EMF 1 by 2 B L square omega. This is EMF induced. Now what is the relationship between E and omega? Directly proportional. तो आप E versus omega कैसे ग्राफ बनाओगे? Like this. आप इसको next third quadrant में भी लेके जा सकते हो if you want, क्योंकि EMF can be negative. And E versus L, E is directly proportional to L square. So how do you draw a graph for it? This is the graph of E versus L.